Hi everyone, Miss Carlson here. I am creating this video to help you understand how to work VoiceThread. So I have already created my account. You can see that that's my information up there. So after you've created your digital poster in Canva or whatever other medium you've decided to use, you are going to make sure that you save it onto your computer. So once you've logged into VoiceThread, you'll click Create, Add Media. Mine's saved on my computer. So, and then I'm just going to pick something. Do this one. Here it's asking me to do a title. So mine's about heat transfer, description, different types of heat transfer. Okay. And so there is that. So the next thing, because we're only adding one media, which is this, I'm going to add a comment. So here you can say, you can add text. You can, oh, what does it say? Make a comment using your phone. We're not doing that. You can record an audio comment, so it's just your voice like this video. You can record a video comment. So you're going to choose either the audio comment or the video comment, and you're going to tell us a little bit about your natural resource. So it's going to be something that's not necessarily on your poster. So it's just going to be another way to help your peers learn more about the natural resource that you have learned about. So I'm going to pretend like I did this. I'm going to just, here is my comment. Okay. I didn't want to record a comment within a comment. So then I'm going to see what this looks like. Okay. And I am done. So when I am done, I'm going to click share, copy link, and after you've copied your link, you are going to post this link into the discussion board within Canvas that will allow your peers to access the VoiceThread that you have created. When you are looking at another person's VoiceThread, you are going to leave a comment. It can be in a text box, it can be in a video, or it can be just the audio, so just the talking. But one of those, and you're going to leave comments on your peers' VoiceThread posters.